Hi Huskies and Bulldogs. Today we are going to learn about same and different, right? When we're at school we spend a lot of time practicing talking about what is the same and what is different. Can you do that with me? Same and different, okay? So we're going to look at some pictures on my iPad here. I have some pictures for us to look at and we'll talk about what's the same in the picture and what's different. Now this is a little guide to help us. These are some things that sometimes I think about when I'm thinking about what's the same or different. In the top, we have three things. They're the same color. What color are these? They're all blue, right? But there's something that's different about them. They are different shapes, right? So when you're thinking about what's the same and different, you can think about the shape. Okay? What about this row? These are the same shape. They're all rectangles. But what's different about these? They're different colors. So when we're thinking about what's the same and what's different, we can look at the color. Down here, these are the same color. They're all blue. They're the same shape. What shape is it? They're triangles, but they're different. What? They're different sizes. This one is the biggest, this one is the smallest, this one is in between. Different sizes, okay? So when we're looking at some pictures, you might be talking about the shape, you might be talking about the color, you might be talking about the size, or you might be talking about something else that's the same or different, okay? Now this video is going to be pretty short, but what I want you to do is I want you to pause the video with your family and talk about all the things that you see that are the same and all the things that you see that are different, okay? Here comes our first picture, all right? Look at this picture. Okay, pause the video. Talk about what is the same and different. Did you talk about things that were the same and different with your family? I see that these are all shoes. All of these things are shoes in the picture. I see that all of these things have black. That's the same. They all have black. They're all shoes. But I see what's different is they are different sizes. They're not the same size. That's what I see that's different, right? When we talk about same, sometimes we use words like they all, or this one has and this one also has Those are words that we talk about, that we use when we talk about what's the same. If we talk about what's different, then we're probably going to say they don't have the same, or they have different, or they are different. Okay, let's look at another one. All right, I'm going to pick a good one. All right. What's the same about these animals? You can pause the video and talk about what's the same, and you can talk about what's different. I see what's the same about these animals is that they're all cats. That is the same. I also see that they all have fur. I see that they all have two eyes. They all have pointy ears. Now I'm going to think about what's different. I'm going to look at my guide. They're different colors. They're not the same color. They're different colors, right? Let's look at another one. All right. What's the same about these? You can pause the video and talk about it with your family. I think what's the same is they're all toys. These are all for playing with. What's different? Did you talk about what's different? If not, talk about what's different right now. I see what's different is that they're different sizes. Some are big and some are small. I also see different shapes. This one's a square. This teddy bear is not a square. This teddy bear is a different shape. Lots of stuff there. All right, let's look at another one. How about this picture? What's the same and what's different? You can talk about it with your family. Here's what I see. I see they're all birds. That's the same. They're all birds. I also see another thing that's the same. They all have wings and they all have beaks. Another thing is they're all sitting on the fence. What about different? What's different? Let me see. The color is different. They have different colors. This one is red. This one is yellow and black. This one is blue and brown. That's different. Let's do a couple more. Let's see. What's the same and what's different? Talk about it with your family. Pause the video. I see that they're wearing the same kind of clothes. Everybody is wearing a white shirt and everybody is wearing blue jeans. That's the same. What's different? They have different skin. Their skin is not the same. They have different hair. Their hair is different. That's something that I see that's different. Let's do one more. All right. What is the same and what is different? Talk about it with your family. Pause the video. Did you talk about it with your family? What I see that is the same is that everybody has a helmet. Everybody in this picture is wearing a helmet. I also see that everybody is riding a bike. What I notice that's different is that these people, all of these people they're different sizes. This person is shorter than this person right here. They also have different colors on. They're wearing different colors. All right? So thanks for playing same and different games with me. This is something that you can do at home, especially if you have some books. You can look at stuff in your books, talk about what's the same in the books and what's different. I hope you had fun, and I'll talk to you guys soon.